Today I'm going to be doing a video on this vintage Lite mechanical pencil with a messed up lighter. And keep in mind my phone's acting up with recording, so I don't know what's going on with it anymore. So we have a 40s. Alright, let's begin. So the mechanical pencil portion pretty much works, although this is loose, but it's whatever. The lighter portion doesn't work. So we're gonna figure out why. I see that the screw's still in there. So let's get a screwdriver and unscrew it. Alright, the spring's in there still. That's good to know. Old flint. The striker moves now. That moves now. Let's get ourselves a flint, shall we? Spark. Oh, wow. It lights. Oh, it did. Well, that didn't take long to fix. It's working. Oh. Oh. Well, I say let's write what was wrong with it. Needed lighter fluid. It's all it literally needed. Just lighter fluid. Not bad for an old relic from the 40s. I love this, and I'm going to cherish this thing for as long as I can. Mechanical pencil lighter.
I want to thank your producer.
That lights it?
Yep.
When we come back,
Oh.
the on-the-ground impact of all this, with MAGA
Push it up.
Republicans and Trump supporters embracing
And try again.
over President Zelensky of Ukraine. We'll check in with our dear friend Igor Novikov in Kyiv after a quick break.
Hold on.
I'll turn it up right now.
Damn ceiling fan. Pain in the ass.
Balance in nature helps me do it. I take balance in nature because I see the benefits for me. I'm reaping the benefit of this product. There's no question in my mind. Otherwise, I wouldn't take it.
There we go.
I caught that shit.
Start your journey with Balance of Nature supplements.
There you go. You got this bit.
You push down on it.
You push down on it?
Yeah.
Huh. Cool. Good light.
Thank you for your pen later.
You're welcome. Would you like an autograph?
Nope.
Because it's built right in.
Don't need an autograph. You ain't fucking famous yet.
I don't think I'll ever be famous.
Never know, Mark.
I don't know.